Hello, hello, hello. I've got an interesting one. It was sent to me by Lokificent's Lair. It's really fun. We have a SovCit roll in front of Judge Perkins. I haven't seen him in a while. It's a lot of fun, but I will tell you, I can't find the very end of the appearance. I don't think he came back, is what I think the deal is. But if somebody knows where it is, give me the timestamp while we roll, and I'll throw it up. Otherwise, it's still a fantastic appearance, and there's a bonus in there.
Okay. On the iPhone, there's there. On the Samsung, good morning to you. I just let you in on the Samsung. What's your name, sir? Samsung in the blue t-shirt. And the blue t-shirt walking around the house.
Okay, did I get it fixed now? Did I get it fixed now?
What's your name, sir? What pointed to you?
Antoine. I'm Antoine. I'm representing this.
You're Antoine Pierre.
Yes, yes. Tried to get it fixed.
From the Latin family, right?
Yes, yes. Can you hear me and see me?
I can hear you and see you. Let me get you identified on here. All right, let me see where you're. Who was the other individual on the iPhone?
I don't know. I only got a Samsung.
I'm not talking to you. I'm not talking to you.
Okay.
Who's on the iPhone?
Did I get the iPhone person? They never connected the audio.
Sherelle Oldestein.
No, they never connected the audio.
Can you hear me?
I can hear you. I can hear you. All right. Let's go back on the record with Latney. So, Mr. Latney, state your name for the record, please.
I'm making a special appearance. I'm Antoine, the natural man. And here goes his typography, all capital name, Antoine Pierre Latney Bond, that you guys are questioning. I'll make a special appearance on this.
Mr. Latney, I have no clue what you're holding up or what you're talking about.
Yeah, that's the birth certificate. I'm holding up the birth certificate of Antoine Pierre Latney.
Okay. And who is Antoine Pierre Latney?
That's I'm the natural person, but the all capitals name, which is typography that you are dealing with the all caps, that's this birth certificate. I'm not that all capital name. That all capital name is this birth certificate right here. I'm the natural person.
I don't know what you're talking about. You're confusing me.
I'm confused too. I'm confused too.
Okay, well, we're both confused. I need to see Antoine. I need to see Antoine Pierre Latney. That's who I need to see.
I'm Antoine in the natural form, flesh and blood, right here. How you doing?
So you're Antoine Latney, right?
No. Are you referring to the all capital name?
Bro, we trying to go. You making this shit longer than it got to be.
I know it.
I'm gonna pass the matter until I get Antoine Latney.
Okay.
All right, Mr. Latney, let's get this over with. Yeah, let's do this because it's gonna linger on. And Mr. Latney, let's go back on the record with Antonio and Antoine.
For the record, I'm making a special appearance. I'm Antoine Pierre Latney, and I'm making a special appearance for this bond. I do not assume any responsibility for the all capitals name that you guys have in front of you or anywhere else.
Your Honor.
Yes.
All right, I'm going to put my appearance back on the record. Sherika Harris on behalf of the natural person, Antoine Latney. And I will ask for a breakout room, but I am ready on Johnny Gatewood if we could do that matter first.
We'll get Johnny Gatewood out here. But you know something, this Harris, I don't know if Mr. Latney knows, that we get a lot of attention from these bloggers and these what do you
Well,
call
it's
them?
just that it's like I drive for a living, but when I get into my regular car,
Oh,
I
Mr.
don't get
Latney,
paid.
Mr. Latney, if I were you, I wouldn't talk. I mean, well, I'm sorry. You might not be Mr. Latney, but the person representing, I wouldn't talk if I were you. Give me a moment to speak with you in the breakout room before you make a whole lot of statements on the record, please and thank you.
Oh,
And- all right. So,
Good job.
let's. I'm gonna put you in a breakout room, Mr. Latney. Have a conversation with. You don't object to that, do you? Having a conversation with Ms. Harris?
no.
So have a conversation with Ms. Harris, and just wait on her. I'm going to get Mr. Gingwood out of here, and then we'll hear what you have to say. All right?
Yes, sir. That's great.
Join the room, please.
Yes.
For Mr. Latney, you read off 2 additional tickets, I believe. Could I know what those charges are?
Does it make a difference? Does it make a difference, Ms.
It
Harris?
might. It might.
I don't think it does, but I'll give it to you. Latin, that's 17402, counts 1 and counts 2. Also, he had a no plates on that 1 ticket for that one. I don't have any objection to setting it aside. And then he has the SB 1445437 That's a license improper, and he drives for a living. That's his own.
Thank you, Your Honor. Thank you.
All right. You're welcome. All right. Mrs. Donovan Green, we're speaking of, but you have to unmute yourself. This is
Okay, Mr. Bowman.
a delayed sentence.
I have no objection, Your Honor. Thank you, Mr.
All
Bowman.
right. This is a one-time deal here, Mr. Green.
Okay.
All right. Can you raise your right hand? You swear or affirm to tell the truth, whole
Okay, so that's where they left it. He goes in the penalty box twice and doesn't figure anything out. And then I get this I was looking for when he comes back to get the rest of the appearance, but I can't find on the rest of the call. However, I did trip across this nugget, which is fun.
truth, nothing but the truth?
Yes, Your Honor.
All right, you put your hand down. Do you understand the maximum possible penalty for this offense is 93 days in jail and or $500 in fines?
Yes, Your Honor.
You understand you have an absolute right to a trial?
Yes, Your Honor.
Mr. Johnson went over your other advice and rights in breakout room, did he not?
Yes.
You understood those rights?
Yes.
And you have any questions about those rights?
No.
You know by taking this deal, you're going to give those rights up?
Yes.
Has anybody offered you anything other than what's been stated in the record?
No.
Let me draw your attention back to June 30th, 2024, around 1:57 p.m. in the city of Detroit, in the areas of Adams and Witherall. Did you have
AM,
an occasion? AM.
Yes,
Did you have
sir.
an occasion one day to be in that area around that date and time?
Say that again, Your Honor.
Did you have an occasion to be around that area in that date and time?
Just was hanging out with some friends.
You were in that area, right?
Yeah.
All right. You did more than just hang out with friends, though, correct?
Yeah, yeah.
And what did you do?
I mean, I got here with a beer bottle, so I had an attitude. But that's here nor there. At the end of the day, I was wrong. But like, if we being human, I'm gonna be upset about somebody throwing something at me, potentially trying to hurt me. So that's all it was. But if it is what it is, I'll take the charge, however it go. Even though I feel like I shouldn't, but it's okay. It's a lesson learned.
I don't understand. You're telling me that you got hit with a beer bottle, and you're not fully disclosing what you did.
So I told the officer I wasn't leaving shit. It's exactly, that was my word for word. I wasn't leaving until we could talk.
In the area,
Yeah, I wanted to talk to a police officer about the assault, and he told me basically I had to leave. It wasn't nothing I could do about that, so I had an attitude. So yes, I'm gonna have an attitude. I want to report that somebody hit me with a fucking glass bottle. Excuse my language. Excuse my language. Excuse my language.
Morning.
Mr. Bowman?
How you doing? Good morning.
Yes, Your
Go
Honor.
ahead, have your hand raised.
Your Honor, based upon what Mr. Green has said, I'm withdrawing the offer about dismissal upon payment. Mr. Green, I'm reissuing that his as charged lays in 3 months. If he dismissed, if he doesn't get into any ANY trouble.
All right. You got that? Now, Mr. Johnson, your client, and now the deal has been changed. Now, your client does have a right to withdraw his plea if he wants to.
I'm fine. Can we just can we? I gotta go to work, Your Honor. So I'm trying not to be late on my first day. I'm taking the offer. If he say he wanted to delay it for 3 months.
So the officer asked you to leave the area and you disregarded what the officer said, correct?
Yeah.
Satisfied, Counselor?
Yes, Your Honor.
Court is satisfied, find him guilty as charged. Officer signal stipulates the probable cause will dismiss the other matter.
Yes, Your Honor.
All right.
Stipulated.
$240. When can you pay it?
I just started my new job, so give me at least 2.5 weeks for me to get my first paycheck.
Pay it by December the 2nd, 2024, and then the 3-month delay will go until January 28th, 2025. All right, so come back on the 12th, on December the 2nd, make sure it's paid. If it's paid, then we'll see you back on January 28th. If there's nothing further, sir, have a very good day and best of luck to you.
All right. Thank you, Judge. Have a good day.
You will.
Well, there you have it. Unfortunately, I don't have the final appearance because he put him in a breakout room, but he never comes back. Or at least that I could see. If somebody has it, I'll go there now, but I looked through the whole call. I didn't see it. But that was good. That was a good SovCit whack job and a guy screwing up his own plea. He made his plea worse. He ended up pleading guilty, but he gave up stuff just for running his mouth. It was kind of fun. I enjoyed it. I also enjoyed Judge Perkins talking about the bloggers. He's talking about us, people. he knows that appearance is going to get replayed. There's just no two ways about it. It's quality stuff. Thanks for coming out. Just a quickie.